This little man right here is my happiness. He makes me very, very happy. Isn't that right, nephew? See, I just woke up. Can I have a kiss? What? 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 No kissing? What? What is up, you guys? It's your girl, Renee. You do. You want to know why? Because you tuned into Ja's world. So, this video is a life update. Where have Ja been? Where have I been? That's a good question. So if you want to know, keep watching. You know how when life throws you lemon, you make lemonade? When life throws you you just have basically, life ain't been throwing me no goddamn lemons. I ain't making no damn lemonade. Okay, so lately I've been going through stuff and I haven't been myself, really. That's it. Like, I haven't been myself. And when you are on YouTube or on TV or anything, like, you can't pretend to be happy, or you can't pretend like everything's great, or that everything's easy breezy, because people will notice that. Like, I didn't want fake content, so I haven't vlogged since I was in St. Thomas. So speaking of, look at this, y'all. I still have the tan lines from when I was there. If you haven't checked those vlogs out, please go and watch those vlogs. I will have them linked in the description box below. And if you have watched them already, please like this video and let me know, so I can do more vlogs, because I will be going out of town next week and I will vlog for you guys. It is one of my family members' wedding, so I'll be out for that, so I can vlog all of that for y'all. But okay, let me stop skipping around. So basically, I have not posted because I didn't want my content to be fake, or I didn't want you guys to notice like I wasn't being myself. But I want to get back into it. I've been basically focused on eating healthy, trying to focus on my weight, because a lot of people, when they are like stressing or going through something, they stress eat. Me, I'm the total opposite. I will stop eating. I lose my appetite 100%. I don't eat, and I am too small already as it is. If y'all see my weight gain journeys, I will have those in the description box below as well, in which I need to get back into the gym, but that's a whole nother story. But I been trying to gain weight, and when I'm stressed, I don't eat, so then I lose weight. So I've lost a few pounds and starting to see the little skeleton down. It's not looking good. So I'm trying to get myself together, focus on YouTube, you guys, because you are what's important to me. You guys are a priority, and I need to get back to that. So I just want to come on here and do a real quick short video just saying where I've been. Like, I've just been trying to get myself together so that I am good. So I'm back and I'm better. I will be posting more again every Wednesday, every Saturday. I know I say that, and I know I'm inconsistent, but this has been way too long. I don't think I've posted. It's been over a month and a half since I posted, and that's horrible. I apologize. So I want to get back into it. I want to get back into doing makeup. I haven't even done makeup really since I've been back. Like, I tried to do a video and I was gonna upload it, but it was horrible. Like, it was horrible. Like, the makeup looked bad. I felt like it just was bad. So I want to start doing some pranks too. I don't know about pranking my family. They not really they don't really take pranks to lightly, so I don't really know how that would go if I prank my sisters. I don't know. We'll see. I need more content. I want to post more. I want to post at least 3 times a week. I'm going to try like this summer really hard. I work a full-time job still, so it's really hard to try to balance both because YouTube is not a hobby. It's a job as well. There are more videos to come. I'm just posting this and I'm getting back into the routine just so that y'all know what's happening. I haven't left, y'all. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for staying subscribed. Thank you for continuing to watch my videos. Thank you for commenting and showing love. Please like this video, comment, and tell me what videos you guys want to see. And I always say that I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but for those of you who are watching and the few people that do comment, thank you. Shout out to you. Please let me know what you guys want to see. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.